That was a beautiful campus. They were awarded some money the last time we did a big bonding bill, and they have made great use of it. You know, MCTC is in its 100th year, so it's been around a long time. It's in an urban setting. There are 14,000 students. I didn't realize there were quite that many students taking advantage of those courses there. We went to the nursing floor. They have repurposed an old, classroom style building and made this, experiential applied learning nursing program. So we got to see, like we saw at Superior College, those dummies, one-on-one groups of nursing students working with real-time machinery, prescriptions. That was very exciting. We heard from their students. They shared some of the common things we've been hearing. They're concerned about tuition, they're concerned about debt, they're concerned about getting jobs to pay for that. But I had a sense that this was a campus that's on the rise, that they are investing in their students, they're investing in the kind of programs that our future demands. Their architecture program was very cool.